want to visit. It's called in the Verro Center. I found what I was looking for, A1 shop. I don't know where you buy your tickets. It's a beautiful place to explore when it's like this Sunday, and the restaurants are open. It's places, if, for example, if you don't mind the alcohol, to watch the World Cup, look at that place. For example, last night I landed. It was the match was about 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock in here, and I landed about 10 o'clock in here, and I was looking for somewhere to watch, and this is where it was guiding me, Irish pub. And my place, the president, is not far from here. And I said, is it a pub? And he says, yeah, alcohol. So I missed that match, but I hear Morocco have put a good game, and that's what you expect. Don't expect the usual favorites to win this World Cup. There is surprises in the store. It will be a shame if England loses. And so our United Kingdom and our Muslim countries, if they do well, we're doing well. From last night, you can see the vlog I made, and there is food. Always locate the places where you can buy food. It's not very expensive. $2.60 for burger, eggs, cheeseburger. Hello, brother. Halal? All halal? Thank you so much. I'm gonna walk around for a bit. Okay, on my return, you know, the reason why I retrace this is where I get off from the bus and Holiday Inn, and behind us to this area, city center. And if I take the taxi when I'm returning, which is the early hours, I will be paying, wow, nearly minimum $25. I want to visit. It's called in the Verro Center, because I want to get a SIM card. So let's go in Verro Center and the shop we're looking for. Hello, hello. It's in the ground floor. We're going up. And historically, Turkey, Dubai, and Emirates, and any other places that has a history as well as a modern, people flock to it. We're looking for an A1 shop. It's a Sunday, mind you, supermarket. We'll get something from here before we head back home. So New Yorker clothes shop. Another jumbo kids shop. I found what I was looking for, A1 shop. And so I'm happy. A1 shop, if you need a network, prepaid, SIMs, and this is the place to come. A1. It's sells phones, as well as but we came for prepaid SIM card, and A1 is called A1. Hi, I'm looking for a prepaid SIM card. By any chance you sell?
Yes, but from tomorrow we're sold out.
Oh, you sold out. Yeah. One question, I will come back. I don't live far from here. And one question I want to ask about 5 gigabytes. If I want to buy And I'm also thinking and visiting Kosovo. Can I roam? And how much
with
will
the one you buy, you have 2 gigabytes per Kosovo.
I found my shop. It explained to me. So let's go to the supermarket and get something. And I cannot take with me because everything over there in the shops near me seem to be expensive. I need a. And one thing that is concerning here, if I want to buy, is that halal food. But then they are labeled. Everything is labeled. Halal food. If it's halal food, if it's not halal food. Some sweets, for example. I don't really need a SIM card, prepaid SIM card in Skopje. And I don't know what this is. That you find everywhere. The double decker foods and that French. Grapes, expensive, 469. Back home. Yeah. We are in the Verro market, Verro Mall, the famous Verro. And when I asked when I asked the chat GPT, and with this walkable, I could walk from the city center. It gives you different information. So until you experience it, you're never gonna be happy. Beyond the city center and the supermarket, and there is not much to explore. So we are orientated, and now we are exploring beyond this area. Welcome back to Skopje or Animal Zoo. We're going to Skopje Animal Zoo, and apparently that is a stadium over there, and they used to have a good football club, and I don't know what happened in Balkans. So this place is spacious. Skopje is spacious, and houses are. You could see the mountains in a capital city. In every corner you walk, and houses are about. So we're not be seeing the all back, and I apologize for the unsettling point of view camera, and because I was walking around and experimenting, but for my new camera. So let's get back to the main road. Yeah, Skopje Zoo. Fantastic. I had no chance of going to Africa, Kenya, that is it. Macedonian flag, and Skopje Zoo within the back. Beautiful. I don't know where you buy your tickets, but I believe you buy it from inside. Hey, hi. Can I have one ticket?
Yes, 80 please.
You're welcome, please bear with me. Thank you so much. There you are, my friend. Hello. Walk around. So let's walk around. I don't understand the language. I've never seen a dolphin in my life. But I think that's a dolphin. Where are the dolphins? Oh yeah, sea lion. I think I can see enjoying himself. Sea lion, right? That's what we call it, sea lion. Look at this animal. And please tell me the names of the animals. That animal, I don't know the name. Rangoon, no. And pigeons, does it count as a zoo? Whoa, the lions. Oh, wow. The lions, I found the lions, white lions. Yes, the king of the jungle. I haven't seen them. Make sure you don't drop your camera. Is that an ostrich? An ostrich. Yes, it is. An ostrich. Be entertained. The cruelty of animal. It's only a matter of time before the cruelty of a you take it on cruelty to humans. So cruelty is not a good idea. That is camels. Hope you can see it. Wow. That's a lion. First time seeing a lion. And the name to the lemur. This is the proper African. This is the ostrich we are familiar with. It carries. This is the proper ostrich. Wow.